How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Zippy speed channel inlays in the MachineWise Sasori Balisong. I have here the titanium Sasori with one Zippy speed channel inlay installed on the bite handle. We're going to do the safe handle together. So what I'm first going to do is orient the speed channel inlay such that the flat side, in this case smooth textured side, is facing towards me, and this open side is facing towards the Balisong. I'm going to hook in one corner here and press down with my thumb. And then I'm going to do the other side here and then use my thumb to smooth it out and press it in, just like that. Now we'll do a visual examination here. Make sure everything looks nice and flat and flush. Which it does. All right. This is a handy mod because it completely eliminates the ring from the speed channels. I'm gonna see if I can demonstrate the sound without destroying the camera or my desk. So you can see the closing sound is no ring and much deeper. And that was the ice pick sound test, just to show you the ring is gone and the sound is clackier and deeper. Hope you guys enjoy. Cheers.